Today, I will show you how to practice paper trading on Webull. This will demonstrate how to reach that page. I will break that down slightly so you can begin using this. Now, you can see the app here in real time so you can follow along step by step. Keep in mind this is an iPhone running iOS, so Android may look slightly different for you. We are currently on the main page of our Webull account. You can identify it by the Webull icon here in the center. And if you do not have a Webull account yet, a free account link is available in the show notes below. You make a small deposit there. You actually receive many free shares with us. Be sure to go ahead and check that out. From here, go to the right side where you see the menu. Clicking on this will take you to the new section over here. We want to go to the More tab here. It's the three small dots enclosed in a circle. We will click on that. Then this will take us to another setting with many other new options. Next, go to the section labeled Trading. From here, you will see a paper trade. We will tap on this. This is where you can practice paper trading on Webull. From this section, you will see where it says Paper Trade at the bottom right. And we click this. Just like a regular trade, you want to search for the ETF, stock, or company you want to buy. For example, say with Google, and it will take you to a similar page resembling the regular buying section of the Webull account. But at the bottom, it shows Paper Trade. From here, click at the bottom and it will look very similar again. But remember, this is all paper trading, and we want to use a limit order. Let's say we want to buy 200 shares of Google here. Then it will display the trading hours, either regular or extended. We'll use extended since of when we're recording and the time and force of the day, or you can select good till canceled. For this example, we will find out what the price point is. You can see at the very top where the actual price is located. This is the price we are asking for. We'll increase this slightly and then click on a paper trade here. Now, this will show that the offer has been pending. Once this is filled, we will return to our actual account. Alright, now we return to the main paper trading page, and the net worth has increased slightly because the Google purchase went through and is worth a bit more than what was paid. Now we can track this, see how it is going to perform, and now it has dropped slightly. You can see this happening in real time, as if you were buying the items with your real money, but this is all fiat money, so it's simply practice. So you can get an idea and a feel for what investing is like. Even with smaller amounts, it will still show you what that will look like for you. You can also make other types of investments here in paper trading without using your own money. As mentioned earlier, if you do not have Webull, a link in the show notes below will help you start on the right page and open your free Webull account. If you want to go ahead and check out paper trading, if you are ready to proceed with exploring investments on Webull, we will post our beginner's guide here so you can learn step by step how to use the Webull app.